Welcome, and thank you for your interest in the all-electric Volkswagen ID.4. In this video tutorial, we will walk you through the ordering process. In a few simple steps, you'll be able to build and reserve Volkswagen's first ever electric SUV. Let's begin. Start by visiting the Volkswagen reservation platform using the provided link. Select the model of interest, the First Edition or Pro. Please note the First Edition is limited and may be sold out at this time. Click the Build and Reserve button and customize your ID.4 by selecting the exterior color, trim line, packages, interior color, and drivetrain, all located on the right-hand side. When complete, scroll to the bottom and click Reserve. Here you will complete the personal information section and click the Continue to Preferred Dealer button located at the bottom. Once Sunrise Volkswagen is selected, indicated by a blue bounding box and check mark in the top right corner, click Continue to Payment Information, located at the bottom. Here you will complete the payment information section and click the Continue to Summary button. Make sure all of the information on the left-hand side, personal information, your dealership, payment information, and preferred vehicle are correct. Then read and check the Terms and Condition boxes on the right-hand side and click Submit Payment. Congratulations, you've successfully placed an order for your brand new ID.4 and will receive an email confirmation which will include your reservation ID, reservation status, and vehicle preferences. You will be able to track your ID.4's journey by using the MyVW portal at vw.com/myvw/myreservations. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact the dealership at 516-596-5970 and ask to speak with one of our EV specialists. Thank you.